Carey. I'm with MB Electrical. I've been an electrician for 18 years now. Arc fault is probably one of the most common causes of an electrical fire. It's usually caused by old or damaged cabling in a house. Often overloading your circuits, too many heaters or too many appliances on a circuit. You can have really old or damaged cabling in your house that you're unaware of, and quite often rodents, mice and rats up in your ceiling. An arc fault detection device is a device that works to cut the power before there becomes a risk of fire. You should consider an AFDD in older homes or rural homes where there's risk of rodent, especially if it's really hard to rewire your house if you've got older cabling. Not very likely. AFDDs have only been in New Zealand for a couple of years. There are not many houses that have them installed at this point. Generally anywhere between $3,000 and $5,000. Just depends on how many circuits you want to protect and the degree of protection you want on them. So the time a switchboard upgrade takes really does depend on the amount of circuits you've got in your house, but we would generally say between 4 and 8 hours. There's no way we'd ever leave anyone without power for a night, so it has to be done in one day.